How to earn money from Amazon. Amazon is a cash machine that is making over $1.29 billion in revenue each day. This is the great of all e-commerce platforms with $470 billion in 2021, and this is growing every year with almost 20% growth. According to a report by Statista, 2.54 billion people access Amazon every day. Earning money on Amazon is not always easy, but we will have doing this for years despite growing competition. To help you out, we will discuss the top 5 risk-free methods to earn money on Amazon so you might get paid as well. But before we start this video, please make sure to subscribe to my technical solution and press the bell icon, as I'm sure nobody will like to miss the latest money-making methods. Some of these methods require little or more investment, but we have discussed these methods as well which need no investment. And if you don't understand anything, don't hesitate to ask in the comments, as we are a community and here to help each other. So let's start the video. Number 1. Dropshipping. Make $1,000+ a month. As good as its name sounds, dropshipping needs a very low amount to start and is the most popular way of earning on Amazon. Let me make it easy for you how this works. You register a seller account on Amazon and find a high value but low competition product. You sell this product to your Amazon product list. A customer orders your product, pays you the amount, and you forward the customer detail to the manufacturer who will produce and deliver the product without the customer knowing all this. You don't have to launch or produce your product, and no additional duty like storing and shipping. The supplier will handle all your headache. You just have to market the product. Isn't it the easiest way of earning? Right now, dropshipping is the best way to start selling your product online without breaking your bank account and spending much of your time. So, what are you waiting for? Number 2. Become an Amazon affiliate. This is one of the easiest ways to earn money on Amazon. Amazon's associate program is actually an affiliate program just like any other way of affiliate earning. I have made detailed videos on affiliate earning and the best affiliate program, and if you guys want to learn about it, don't forget to check them on my channel. But first, let me clear this by an example. You will find some cool products on Amazon. You share the link to the product with your friends, and if they buy through your link, you will get paid with the commission. This is how easy this is. You have to sign up to get the affiliate links that only you can share. Share the link with your friends, on your YouTube channel, or on your blog. The more purchases are made through your link, the more you will get paid. Or you can start on Amazon affiliate blog. If you want to learn this, let me know in the comment section and I will teach you in detail. Number 3. Sell your own branded products on Amazon. Had you ever thought about launching your own product brand based on your own products? Believe me or not, you won't be needing a lot of money to have your own line of products. In fact, hundreds of ordinary people start their own brands, and this is a lot easier than the complex questions in your mind. Amazon sellers' name is private label brands, and this is one of the best strategies to sell other products as your own branded products. Well, Amazon itself provides you with the whole mechanism for this. This is even more fruitful when you rebrand a product with the unique features it comes with. Very less competition. Let me tell you how you would be doing this. So, if you got an idea for a product, search for it, analyze the current sales and competition and the profit margin. Of course, don't forget this one, because money is the thing we are doing all this Amazon stuff for. And if you can't find a product to brand, Amazon itself suggests some categories for rebranding. The home and kitchen is at top of it. So you have found a product with enough profit margin, order some samples of it. When it reaches you, employ your idea of rebranding and make ready a private label product. When the product is ready, just enroll your account in Amazon brand registry program, do some listing and marketing of your product, and let Amazon handle the rest of it. Another piece of expert advice for you is, I suggest you do not provide storing and shipping options by yourself. Just let Amazon do it. Buy their Fulfillment by Amazon program. Amazon will store it in their warehouse and will handle packing and shipping duties for you. Number 4. Online arbitrage and retail arbitrage. Here again, you won't be needing any money to invest and neither any upfront cost. The only thing you need to know is where are the products that I can resell. Basically, This is like online reselling. You go and look for products online and buy them at a discount price and resell them keeping your markup. You won't be needing to waste your time dealing with supplies and ordering, just some research and flipping abilities, and you can do this from your comfort zone. Let me give you an example. You see a headphone on eBay with a price tag of $5. You check the same product on Amazon and it's selling here for $10 or $15. You will buy the headphone from eBay and sell them on Amazon. The same case goes for the retail arbitrage, except here the sources of your product is different and you will be selling here locally. You can find products from stores like Walmart and can flip them online again here. You have to hunt products that have a price cap, so their flipping online ends up giving you profit. You must be thinking of this as a side hustle with quick cash. Though this is straightforward and you are right, but you will see high competitions for some products. Here your product hunting power will help you. Number 5. Merch by Amazon. Now, this is the kind of fully automated service by Amazon. This is print on demand service by Amazon sellers. You just have to think about the design on your shirts. Technically, you should not limit yourself for shirts only. Considering how big this platform is, you can design print for anything that comes in stationery items and even mugs or wraps for your cause. Merch by Amazon is giving tough competition to Teespring. They do the same thing but not better than Amazon because you make more than $1,000 a month here easily. Let me explain to you how this merch by Amazon will work for you. First of all, you have to submit your application through an Amazon seller account. Choose what type of merchandise you want to sell, create your design using an Amazon template and add your product. Once you get approved, anyone who will use your design and you will get paid. Or you can promote your design product and make some extra profit. You receive a royalty fee from 13 to 37% depending on your product when someone buys your design. This is an easy process and doesn't require any upfront cost to start if you know how to design. Even if you don't know how to design, you can hire a designer with creativity because the uniqueness of your design is the thing here. I have seen big brands using the best designers. You know the amount of royalty money when a brand buys your merch. So, there you have these 5 most used ways to make money on Amazon. There are even more ways, but for now, one of these 5 risk-free methods should get you to start on Amazon. These details might be a little tough for you, so you can question in the comment section. This was all for today. See you in another video. Keep watching, keep sharing. Thank you.